Have you been asked to limit your results to CINAHL database? Just enter your search terms here on the library homepage, hit find it, have your cell phone handy if you need to do multi-factor authentication. What you'll find is most of your results are coming from loads of different databases. So we're just going to click on Apply Filters and scroll down to where it says Content Provider. Click there. If you're lucky, you'll see CINAHL, or you could put CINAHL in the search box, select it, hit Apply. And then you'll notice that all your results are coming from CINAHL. Another way is, I'll just go back to the library homepage, go to Articles and Databases, scroll down, and you'll see CINAHL as one of our most popular options.